Say again?
It looks like it's a 16-port NVR
Okay.
with 10 cameras already inside.
Gotcha. Are the Ethernet ports flashing?
Yeah, well good.
Okay.
So,
Hikvision?
NVR.
One dome or turret there. Evan recommends the glassless version.
So conspicuous place over here, so in my mind, the second inconspicuous place, it gives you wide.
Right, and we would use wide angle, so you get it
Right there,
right there above the bar there.
so you get this,
Mm-hmm.
and then I think the third one is,
So this is the hallway to the left of the front door.
yeah, I'd want to catch basically anybody coming into the garage, so like right here.
So like right here, but maybe near this vent looking down. He's saying down this way.
Or actually, maybe, basically I want to get this.
Just looking down this hallway.
I just want to be able to look down this hallway, so any place I'm gathering that's going to have to be probably right. Oh, yeah.
Attic access number 1
In this hallway, remember?
from the garage.
One is there.
Garage.
Right by the
In the
garage.
closet.
Okay.
And then here. Right by the garage access there.
After exiting the first attic access, the NVR is all the way through there on the left side of the house. Now we're going all the way to the right side of the house for the second attic access. Master closet, second access, right side of the house.
You have it hooked up there. There's 3
So
Zones.
4 heat centers,
zones as far
4
as
zones in the house,
temperature zones.
temperature zones.